Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey, a step-by-step guide to launching your LLC. Make your business dreams a reality. Now, you may be asking, what's an LLC? Well, it's a limited liability company, a business structure that can offer you personal liability protection, tax advantages, and increased credibility. Think of it as a shield, protecting your personal assets from any business debts or liabilities. Plus, it can give your business a boost of professionalism in the eyes of customers and investors. But how long does it take to set this all up? That's a good question. The time to establish an LLC can vary, depending on your state and the complexity of your business. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. Stay tuned as we walk through the steps to bring your business dreams to life. First things first, you need to choose a catchy yet professional name for your LLC. This isn't just a name, it's the beacon that will guide customers to your business, the banner that you'll fly high in the marketplace. So, what's in a name? Quite a lot, actually. It needs to be unique, a name that isn't already in use by another company. You don't want any legal battles over trademarks now, do you? But it's not just about originality. Each state has its own guidelines for naming LLCs. Some states, for instance, require the inclusion of certain words or abbreviations like LLC or limited liability company in the name. Others might have restrictions on certain words that could confuse your LLC with a government agency. So, do your homework. Check with your state's business division to make sure your chosen name complies with local rules. Choosing the right name is like laying the cornerstone for your business. It sets the tone for everything that follows. So, take your time, brainstorm, and when that perfect name strikes, grab it. With the perfect name chosen, it's time to make it official. Now that you've got your LLC name, it's time to file your Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization, also known as a Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization in some states, is a document that officially establishes your LLC. Think of it as your LLC's birth certificate. It contains essential information about your business, such as its name, address, and the names of its members. So, how do you fill it out? The process is surprisingly straightforward. The form will typically ask for your LLC's name, its purpose, and its registered agent. The registered agent is the individual or business entity that agrees to accept legal papers on behalf of your LLC if it's sued. You'll also need to provide the principal office address. This is the location where your business's main executive office is located. It can be a physical address or a mailing address depending on your state's requirements. Furthermore, some states might require you to list the names and addresses of all the LLC members. Now, let's talk about where to file this all-important document. The Articles of Organization are generally filed with the Secretary of State's office in the state where you plan to do business. However, the exact office and process can vary by state, so it's essential to check with your state's business office for specific instructions. You might be wondering about the cost. The filing fee for the Articles of Organization varies widely by state. It can range from $50 to around $500. Some states also require an additional franchise tax, which can be a flat fee or a percentage of your LLC's income. And there you have it. With your Articles of Organization filed, you've taken a significant step towards making your business official. Remember, this document is not just a formality. It's a legal record that establishes your LLC's existence and outlines its basic organizational structure. Once your Articles of Organization are filed, your LLC is starting to take shape. With the Articles of Organization out of the way, it's time to create your operating agreement. This might sound like a daunting task, but don't fret. An operating agreement is essentially a roadmap for your LLC, outlining the rules and structure of your business. Think of it as a guidebook that helps you navigate the ins and outs of running your LLC smoothly. Now, what exactly should this operating agreement include? Well, the specifics can vary depending on your business and its unique needs. However, there are a few key areas that your agreement should definitely cover. Firstly, it should outline the roles and responsibilities of each member within the LLC. Who's going to be the decision maker? Who will handle day-to-day operations? Clearly defining these roles from the start will help avoid confusion down the line. Next, your operating agreement should detail the voting rights of each member. This can be based on their ownership percentage, or you might decide on a different structure that suits your business better. Remember, it's crucial to ensure that all members understand their voting rights to maintain harmony within your LLC. Then, we have profit distribution. Your operating agreement should clearly state how profits and losses will be allocated among the members. This is often proportional to each member's ownership stake, but again, you can choose a structure that best fits your LLC. Lastly, your operating agreement should also lay out procedures for handling any potential disputes, changes in ownership, or, heaven forbid, dissolution of the business. It's always better to be prepared for the unexpected, right? In a nutshell, your operating agreement is a critical document that lays out the operational and financial decisions of your LLC. It might seem like a lot to handle, but remember, you're setting the stage for your business to thrive. Your operating agreement lays the foundation for how your LLC will function. Next up, you'll need to obtain your Employer Identification Number, or EIN. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is an EIN? Well, an EIN is like a social security number for your business. It's a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, and it's used to identify your business for tax purposes. It's crucial for your LLC as it allows you to open a business bank account, file and manage federal and state taxes, and hire employees. Obtaining an EIN is not as daunting as it may sound. In fact, it's a pretty straightforward process, and the best part, it's free. You can apply for an EIN through the IRS directly. You can do this online, by fax, or by mail. If you decide to apply online, keep in mind that the online application is available Monday through Friday, from 7 in the morning until 10 at night Eastern Time. You'll need to complete the application in one session because you cannot save and return to it later. But don't worry, it should only take you about 15 minutes. For those who prefer the traditional way, you can also apply by mail or fax. Just download Form SS4 from the IRS website, fill it out, and send it in. If you choose to fax your application, you'll receive your EIN by fax within 4 business days. If you mail it, the wait time could be up to 4 weeks. There's no fee to apply for an EIN. That's right, $0. The IRS provides this service free of charge. So, as you can see, getting an EIN is a simple and cost-effective step in setting up your LLC. With your EIN, you're ready to handle the financial aspects of your LLC. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps to launching your LLC. You've navigated the process of choosing your LLC name, filing the articles of organization, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. That's no small feat. Let's take a quick minute to recap. You started by choosing a unique and catchy name for your LLC, making sure it complied with your state's LLC naming rules. Next, you filed the Articles of Organization, a crucial document that officially forms your LLC. Then, you drafted an operating agreement to establish the rules of ownership and operation of your LLC. And finally, you obtained the EIN, or Employer Identification Number, which is used by the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. But remember, launching an LLC is just the beginning. There are other considerations to keep in mind as you move forward. For instance, maintaining good standing by fulfilling your annual requirements is crucial. These may include filing annual reports, paying franchise taxes, or renewing business licenses and permits. While this guide provides a broad overview, the complexities of your specific business might require more detailed insights. In such cases, don't shy away from consulting a lawyer or a business advisor. They can provide you with valuable guidance and help you navigate any complexities that may arise. This journey of launching your LLC is an exciting one. Each step brings you closer to making your business dreams a reality. Remember, every successful business out there started just where you are right now. You're in good company. Thank you for joining us on this journey to make your business dreams a reality. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Until next time.